today we will discuss about ecology. This video is all about the introduction to ecology. The term ecology that consists of two words. One is the eco, that coming from a Greek word, that is the oikos, that means the home, and the logos, that means the learning about. So it's learning about the life of population. It is the study of the interaction of living organisms with their environment. So before we are going to study about the ecology, first we have to discuss about the environment. So environment, that means our surrounding. Our surrounding includes some biotic as well as the abiotic factors. So if we look around us, that means our surrounding, there are some living beings and also some non-living things. So we regarded the living beings as the biotic factor and the non-living things, that is the abiotic factors. Remember, all the organisms and their surrounding are interdependent. That means they depend upon each other. After the environment, there is another important term, that is the ecosystem. So ecosystem, that means the group of living organisms that live in and interact with each other in a specific environment. Here a question to all of you. Have you ever noticed the diversity among the organisms and they are living together? Diversity, that means the differences. Like some animals are very big and some are very smaller, and also in case of plants, birds, every living organisms. I know all of you must observe these diversities among the organisms. Although in all ecosystem there is huge differences among them, but all the animals are living together and they are interdependent. In an ecosystem, there is not only the living organisms are depend upon each other, but also the living organisms depends upon the abiotic factors that present in that ecosystem. Abiotic factors like the temperature and the amount of sunlight, pH of the water, soil in which the organisms lives, and many other factors are also present there. Listen, ecology is not just about the species-rich forest or the species-rich oceans. You can also observe the ecosystem from your surroundings, like the cockroaches under your bed and the lizards on your wall. So like this. So everywhere you can observe the ecosystem. Now the question is how the organisms interact with one another and with their physical environment, that means the abiotic factors. So first, how the living organisms are interact with one another. So they interact in certain ways, like some animals are predators, that means they kill or eat other animals, and those other animals are regarded as the prey. Another interactions like the symbiotic form and the parasitic form. So the interaction that may be in a positive way or maybe a negative way. And if we talk about their physical environment, that means how they depends upon their physical environment. So remember, there are different type of organisms and all those organisms have some special environmental conditions. That means all the organisms adapt to a specific environments. Like the animals, those live in the pole regions, so they adapt to that cold environment. And then if we talk about the animals, those live in the desert region, so they also adapted to that environment. So each and every organisms require a certain or specific environment. So this is all about the ecology. Last but not the least, remember the three important persons' name. First one, Ernst Haeckel, who was first used the term ecology. Second is Eugene Odum, who is known as the father of ecology. Then third, Ramdev Misra, who is known as the father of ecology in India.